put your Lego in there. That's yucky.
Yucky?
Yeah, don't put your Lego in there. It's got germs.
It's the color. It's this.
What color is that?
It's E.
That's an E. Hey, hon, can you go get his animals from over there on the black couch? Huh?
Are you filming
I'm
me
just-
clapping like fool?
I'm not filming you clapping like a fool. You walked in here doing it like a fool.
You can stop that goal!
My animal.
Your animals.
Your animals, you got that goal!
Oh my goodness. Who's that? Who's this guy? Where did you find him?
Little puppy.
Little puppy. Who's that?
Black puppy.
Black puppy. Who's that? Who's that?
Purple cow.
Purple cow. Your favorite is Purple Cow. Who's that?
And my puppy too.
That's your puppy too. It's your favorite animals. Uh-oh, where's Koala? Where's your koala?
I don't know.
Oh no, I think he's in bed.
In bed?
Yeah, I think he's in bed. You'll get him later.
Let's get him.
Let's get him. We'll get him later, okay? Who's this?
Purple
It's
cow.
your Purple Cow. You love Purple Cow. He's your favorite. Iki, can you say, I'm Batman?
Batman. I'm Batman, Mama.
Uh-huh. Are you Batman or are you Superman?
I'm
You're
Superman.
Superman. E for Eli, right? Do you know how you spell Eli? E. Okay, you skipped. Do you say E-I? No, there's an L in there. It's E-L-I, right? Can you say Eli?
E-I.
E-I. Very good. What are you doing? Iki, what is this?
It's blue.
That's my phone. What do you always say?
E. Emma.
Yeah? And do you say, play with the phone?
Play with both
Do you say it again?
Play
Say,
with both feet.
no, you always say, play with the
Play with bone.
phone, No, it's dead. The battery's gone. I have to recharge the battery. There's no battery left.
Rip.
It's all gone.
It's all gone.
Yeah.
Puppy is broken.
Puppy's broken. No, it's not. What sound does a puppy make?
Ruff, ruff.
What sound does a cow make?
Moo.
Okay, what sound does a kitty cat make?
Meow.
Meow. How about an elephant?
Neigh.
How about a horse? What sound does a horse make?
Elephant.
What? It's the same as the elephant? Iki, what sound does a sheep make?
Bear.
Meh. How about a frog?
Rabbit, rabbit.
How about a bird?
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, how about chicken?
Bop, bop, bop.
How about a rooster? Do you know what a rooster makes? You know?
What?
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Oh, you're gonna fall backwards in that chair. Sit down. Cop-a-doodle-doo, huh? Okay, how about a tiger?
Whoa.
Whoa, good job. How about a piggy?
Oink, oink.
That one was suddenly low.
Puppy sound.
Puppy sound.
Uh-huh.
Ruff, ruff. puppy sounds like woof woof.
Woof woof.
Woof woof. Here's your purple cow. And this is Iki. Iki, I love you.
What that do?
What is that sound? Iki.
Ant.
It's an ant. Iki, what do you say if I say I love you, Iki?
I love you, Mama.
Aw, thanks, honey. Okay, that's enough, I think. Is that it?